Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, well, yeah, almost tomorrow. It is currently 11:56 right now. It's a thunderstorm right now at our house.
I've seen about. You guys can't see me.
But
right. So it's about. Two. It's about 2. We've been seeing 2 strikes at one time.
Yeah, it's crazy outside right now.
It is bad outside.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Serious.
I'm surprised our internet isn't going down right now. Right now I have almost full bars. Yeah, I'm at 3 bars right now.
I'm at full bars.
Really?
Oh, I used to.
I'm at 3 bars.
So I keep getting to 3 bars and 4 bars, and I'm going back down.
But
right, so it is crazy as a mother. We've been seeing crazy, like.
So
just because it's this hour, our raccoon.
I posted.
Around, so we have that white.
So I posted a couple videos on YouTube. I lost some more. Lawton, what's your YouTube channel name again?
I think it's just Lawton James.
Oh.
But still around 2 to 3 a.m.
Yeah. Well, no, it's 11. It's 11:58.
Oh. My phone still says 4:58.
Yeah, your phone's off, but.
Well, my phone's off, so it's 11 to 12. So 12 to 1, pretty much. And it's crazy.
Yeah, Lawton doesn't even want to go outside right now.
I don't.
Before he was like, want to go outside, and I was like, no, bro, that's dangerous.
And I'm like, nope, never mind.
Yeah, because lightning struck and then there's thunder. He's like, nope, never mind.
Just because I've seen 2 lightning strikes. If you ever see lightning strikes,
Stay inside.
Definitely stay inside.
Yeah, we were gonna make a spear with this.
Remember that one time, oh, you weren't there. So I was at my friend's house. The you know the girls that liked, Drake?
Oh, yeah.
So there was a lightning strike right in front of their house, and it ripped up the ground.
Yeah. Drake's neighbors, lightning hit their tree, and they tore their tree down.
I know. That's why under the ground was so wobbly.
Which neighbor was it?
The grandma neighbor. The one that was set it this way, this way.
No. So our house was over here. Ours, the one's
tree.
over there.
I realized that one.
Oh, I'm hungry right now. There's nothing to eat. For some reason, whenever I eat a crap ton, I lose weight. It's weird. So, guys, we were going to make... Stop. We were going to make a spear out of my knife.
But the raccoon started not coming as much.
But the raccoon wasn't coming. Like, every time we were going to kill it, it wouldn't come. And then every time we wouldn't, it'd come here. It's weird.
Then every time we gear up, when it's here, it wouldn't be here.
You mean it'd leave?
Yeah. What did you say?
Oh, there's rust on my knife. It's gonna get rusted.
My phone's around 15%.
My phone's at 9%. Oh, I'm so bored.
Tired. I found a permanent marker.
Yeah. This little hoe wrote Aaron is hero, F-U Aaron, on the whiteboard that's not even ours. With permanent marker, and I had to clean it off. It was right there.
And this guy right here.